Hey guys, Geek into everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about two statements, continue and break statements in Python. So let's start. Okay, let's explore the continue and break statements in Python along with some examples. Let's start with the continue statement. The continue statement is used within loops to skip the rest of the code in the current iteration and move to the next iteration. This statement is useful when you want to skip certain iterations based on a condition. Okay, let's open a code editor and I want to show you the simple and really good example. Okay, here we go. There is a VS Code. I'm gonna write code here. Okay, let's write a loop. Okay, so here we go. So on this example, I wrote a loop which iterate this range and print each number from this range. Okay, here if you notice there is a conditional statement, and if the number equals 6, then the continue statement run. Let's execute this code. Okay. On the output, you can see the result of this script. So you see each number from this range except number 6. It's a 4 and then 5. Because this conditional statement, if x equals 6, so if it's 6, then continue. Continue, as I told you before, means that we skip the rest of the code on this loop, and this code, we skip it and go to the next iteration. So next iteration is 7. Okay, there is a 5 and then 7. So by this statement, I highlight the text, we skip the code, this code, if the x equals 6. Let's talk about next statement. It's a break statement. The break statement is used to exit a loop, even if the loop condition is still true. When encountered, the break statement terminates the loop immediately and the program resumes execution and the next statement after the loop. This statement is useful when you want to stop the loop execution based on a specific condition. So let's go to the VS Code again. Okay, and here, instead of continue statement, I'm gonna write a break statement. Okay, let's run this code. Here we go. This is the result of this code. So, and the latest number is the 5. That means when we iterate number 6, when the x equals number 6, this condition is true and this code, this break statement executed. That means break statement just break our code and exit immediately from our loop. And on the output, we have these results. So one more time, the iteration when x equals 6, this conditions is true. That means the break statement executed and break statement stops our code immediately and get out of this loop. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and you find some useful information on this video. Thank you. Ciao.